This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Melanie here with us, and they came all the way over here. Her and her dad and her mom came all the way over here from Arizona, right? West Arizona is down, Tucson. And just so happened she was diagnosed with a hiatal hernia and acid reflux, but we have been treating her for her biomechanical condition of her spine, her rib cage. And how have you done with your acid reflux this week?
It's been really good. I haven't had anything come back up, so.
Yeah, that's a good thing,
good.
huh? It's better taking medicine, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. So we're not treating acid reflux or hiatal hernia. We're treating the underlying cause of it, which is the vertebral subluxations of the spine and the rib cage, which affect the diaphragm, which is where the hiatus is. When that diaphragm gets tweaked out of place, it weakens the hiatus and the stomach slips up through there and secretes acid into the stomach. That's what, or the esophagus. That's what acid reflux is. So we're going to show you how we treat her chiropractically. Let's have you flex forward and backwards, and then neutral. Melanie came in to see us on Monday. We've been seeing her twice a day now for 4 days in a row. This is her last treatment here this afternoon. And I'll let her tell you whether she thinks it's worth the trip or not.
Definitely.
Alright, so we are going to bring her over here and decompress her first.
Can't be near that table.
You're going to be on it here in a second.
Maybe I should have that one already.
Yeah,
Oh, oh, it feels tender.
yeah.
Because you have red stamp.
So you just ate at Houston's best Tex-Mex restaurant, Irma's, downtown. That's where we send everybody. And
Well, they were all there.
that's a, yeah, good old Tex-Mex food, and you still don't have acid reflux. Boy, that's perfect. Good job. Crack addicts are gonna love you.
Oh.
There we go. That was perfect. Okay, now I want you to tilt your head left just a bit. There you go. Now tilt your right a little bit. I got you. Wiggle your left big toe. Look at that. Woo,
Felt that in my fingers.
Yep, that's the nerves out of your lower neck. Adjusting really good though. She's adjusted good all week and she's responded very well to the treatment. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy now. I just changed that. Legs are even. That tightens up a little bit still. So we're going to adjust her right and left SI joints. You can see her right SI joints rotate a little bit more than her left one. There. That's what I want. There's L5. That's L4. There's L3. L2. That's T12L1 right there. Excellent. Yeah. They're going to be calling you Crackalicious. Yep, legs are even now. This should feel a little smoother than the first one.
Yep.
Good, okay. I'm going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Good. good. Okay, slide down this way a little bit and put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. There. Adjusting her AC joints, her sternoclavicular joints, and her costosternal joints. There we go. Okay, now just relax your hands. Now right now, I'm pulling down on the abdominal area, which helps pull her stomach back down below the diaphragm. Okay, now deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Yep, and deep breath in. Exhale. Excellent, very good. Hang on 1 second, let me get your legs here and then be ready. There we go. Okay. That a girl. Okay. Let's set you up face over that way. There. Okay. You're so much better lined up. Things aren't even-
Even I can tell.
Yeah. Good. Yep. You heard that one out in the parking lot. All right, let's stand over here in front of the mirror now. Okay, we're gonna have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Oh yeah, perfect range of motion. Take a look, right down the middle everywhere. We're still gonna accentuate that a little bit with your exercise. All the way back to the wall behind you. You'll feel a little tap right there. And another little tap right there. Good girl. Now relax and try that same thing again. I see how her head's back up over your shoulders more now. Your head's right down the middle. So, would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience, was it worth your trip from Tucson, Arizona to come here?
Definitely. Definitely. I mean, I haven't had anything come back up in the last week since I've been doing this, and I haven't had any pain. Just been a little bit sore, but that's to be expected.
That's normal. Yeah, we've been doing pretty heavy duty workouts every morning and afternoon for 4 days in a row. So if you're coming in from out of state or out of the country and you're staying for the week, we see you in the morning and in the afternoon, 4 days in a row. It's your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Melanie, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.